Welcome, dear one. This is your sacred time to rest. A gentle pause to release the weight you've been carrying. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can lay down without interruptions. You can use a blanket to cover yourself and stay warm. A pillow under your knees, your head. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Let your arms rest beside your body, palms facing upward. Relax your whole being and softly shift your awareness to your heart. Feel it opening, expanding, and surrendering. Take a slow, deep breath in with me now, and exhale completely, releasing all that has built up within you today. With each breath, allow your body to soften a little more. Let go of trying to do anything. There is nothing you need to achieve here. Simply be. Feel the surface beneath your body, supporting you completely. Steady, safe, and holding you in unconditional love. Now bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it. Simply notice how you are breathing. The gentle rhythm of inhaling and exhaling. A quiet wave moving through you naturally. With every exhale, imagine stress melting away from your mind, your shoulders, your heart. Allow your whole body begin to sink into the earth, as though the ground is absorbing your tension and transforming it into peace. Sense your body becoming heavy, your mind becoming still. Feel the soft presence of peace entering you, a warm light flowing through every cell of your being. Now, from this space of stillness, bring to your heart a gentle intention, a Sankalpa, a seed of truth you wish to plant within you. It might be something like, I am calm and at peace. I release tension and trust the flow of life. I am safe, relaxed, and free. Find your Sankalpa and silently repeat it 3 times with full awareness and feeling in the mind. Feel it as already true, as though your entire being breathed in. Now Move your awareness slowly through your body, bringing relaxation to each part one by one. Follow my voice. Stay awake, yet deeply relaxed. Right hand thumb, index, middle finger, ring, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Feel your right arm deeply relaxed. Now the left hand, thumb, index finger, middle, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Your left arm is relaxed and still. Awareness to the top of the head, forehead, temples, eyes, eyelids, cheeks, lips, jaw, throat. Relax the whole face. Let it soften completely. Now bring your awareness to the chest, heart center, upper back, shoulder blades, belly, lower back, hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, toes. Your whole body is now heavy and relaxed. Your whole body is heavy and relaxed, resting in stillness and ease. Now, imagine a soft space behind your closed eyes, the inner sky of awareness known as Chidakasha. It feels like a vast, peaceful expanse within you. Simply observe whatever appears, colors, light, or darkness, without trying to change anything. You are the silent witness, calm, present, infinite. Now, imagine yourself standing in a peaceful forest. A soft breeze moves gently through the trees. The air is fresh. The light is golden and serene. With each breath, feel your body unwinding. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw softens. And a deep sense of ease flows down your spine. You walk toward a small crystal clear stream. Kneel down and place your hands in the cool, flowing water. With each exhale, feel the water washing away all tension, all heaviness, all worry. You release it all into the stream. Stress, anxiety, pressure, old thoughts washing away from you. And watch them dissolve, carried away by the current. Now imagine a warm golden light descending from above, touching the crown of your head and flowing gently through your entire body. This light is pure healing energy, cleansing, soothing, restoring every part of you. Let it fill your being until you feel light, open, and renewed. Now return once more to the quiet inner space behind your closed eyes, the Chidakasha. Notice how bright and spacious it feels, a tranquil glow of peace within you. Float there for a few moments, resting in still awareness. Now gently bring back your Sankalpa, your intention. Repeat it 3 times silently, clearly and with faith, as though it has already taken root deep in your heart. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel once again the surface beneath you, the weight of your arms and legs, the soft rhythm of your breath. Take a slow deep inhale and a long, peaceful exhale. If you wish to stay resting, allow yourself to drift into sleep. If you are returning to your day, move gently. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch softly, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. You are centered. You are safe. You are free. Namaste.